Tonight, I am waiting. Gather me an audience. Caitlin, how are you? Brandon, how are you? Scott Watsky, how are you doing? Do me a favor, you guys. Thank you, first of all, thank you so much for being here in my kitchen tonight. I am so grateful for each and every one of you. Do me a favor. Hey, Bob. Hey, Pam. As you come on here, it looks like we have 25 of you on here. Hit the thumbs up or the like button. Oh my gosh, I look like Casper the Friendly Ghost. Let me tell you, it got real cold real quick and the sun is not shining. And I have one of those red light contraptions, so I should just get in there and turn myself red, but I haven't. Hey, Debbie, fist bump. Give me a heart, give me a thumbs up, and tell me where you are tuning in from in the comment section below this video. I'm Andrea Cox. My hair is soaking wet, and I am an intuitive healer, a detox specialist by trade, a little bit of a medicine woman, so to speak. I grow about 90% of my food. I make it into herbal tinctures and things of that nature, and I've been vegan for 21 years. And I am about to show you a quick and easy way to use radishes that does not involve a salad. And I've got everything out here, and I'm going to introduce you to this. This is something I watched my beautiful grandma LaGolda do one time, and she pickled a lot of things, but this was a quick pickling method I watched her use one time. Although she didn't use apple cider vinegar, I believe she used white vinegar. But I watched her do this one time and they were ready the next day. So that came into my mind today. I was like, what should I do? I'm kind of, I've been making recipes for all of you on my Andrea Cox TV channel for like 6 years. And I'm really into my new spiritual business, the DETOX Intuitive. But I feel like it is my duty to all of you to make you something healthy every Tuesday, something vegan, something plant-based, something that you can make at home. So continue telling me where you are tuning in from, state, city, country, in the comment section below this video. Hit the thumbs up, hit the like button. Hello, Leah. How are you? Favorite client alert. I got a lot of favorite clients, but Leah's one of them. Leah and Sophie B, her beautiful doggie. Okay, you guys, so here's what I'm gonna do. I have these radishes from my garden. I rinsed them off. Yes, these are from my garden. They look like witchy fingers. I'm just gonna give you the ingredients. So this is a quick 5-minute pickling recipe. Now, why do we pickle vegetables? Well, it's good for our gut flora. It's got that good macrobacterial life that we need to produce healthy gut flora. So that's important. We can take all the probiotics and prebiotics we want. I sell one that I created on AndreaCox.com called Smiling Gut. But if we're not taking foods to support that macrobacterial life in our gut, then we're just not, it's just gonna kind of go right through us, right? So I've got some radishes. I'm gonna be chopping off the greens and I'm gonna set them aside for a salad. I've got half a cup of water. I'm gonna use half a cup of apple cider vinegar. You can use white vinegar if you want. I prefer apple cider vinegar. I've got a little bit of Celtic pink sea salt. You need salt. For the sweet, I'm going to use Colorado hemp honey. Now, I am a vegan, but I am not a vegan. I used to be a vegan, but I prefer just small amounts, minute amounts of organically, rightfully processed honey. If they do it the right way, the bees aren't affected. So I'm gonna use this Colorado hemp honey. And then for the spices, now you can use any spice you want, okay? I'm gonna use turmeric and garlic powder. So I just have organic garlic powder and organic turmeric. Now you can use fresh garlic if you want, but for this particular recipe, keep telling me where you're tuning in from. And thank you for the likes, you guys, and the hearts. For this particular recipe, I really feel like it's easier not to. So I'm gonna start chopping, and you're gonna use just a plain skillet. Now mine are copper based. I prefer to use cast iron and copper for everything. So I'm just gonna take these radishes. Look at my radishes. Does someone have a green thumb or does someone have a green thumb? It runs in the family. Now I'm gonna cut off the end here and I'm gonna cut off the greens and I'm gonna save the greens for my salads, like so. And I'm just gonna kind of do the bulk quick method. Now, if you've ever tried to slice radishes, let's talk about the healing properties of radishes. So radishes are good for the thyroid. So you'll notice like red radishes are shaped like a thyroid. That means it's good for the thyroid, right? Walnuts shaped like a brain, good for the brain. So you want to remember things like that. Almonds shaped like the pituitary, good for the pituitary. So I'm cutting these little ends off and I'm going to put those in my compost bin. You see behind me the metal compost bin. And I'm just going to slice. Can you see that? Let's see. Thanks, you guys, for putting up with my one-woman show video contraption here. No videographers present. So what I'm gonna do is I'm tucking my finger and I'm gonna slice them real thin and I'm gonna put them in a canning jar as I slice them. See how I just go like so? Very quick, very thin. Let's take another one. Cut the end off like so. Set it aside for the compost. Let's take about 2 more, and remember, cut these greens off and use these greens in your salad. Use the end for the compost bin. Really is that easy. This isn't rocket science. Anyone can do this. Don't use the knife towards you like I do. I'm a professional. Okay. I've yet to slice my finger. Let's do one more, because I know I had a real good one. Oh, this one's a fat, juicy. Get real good. You're just able to kind of twist the greens off. I love this quick pickling method because they're ready really that night or the next day. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put these in our handy dandy canning jar, like so. Give me a thumbs up if you love radishes. Anyone ever roast radishes? They're absolutely delicious. Okay, you see that? Now I'm gonna grab a spoon or a fork that is metal, and here's why. Just a little tiny one. Because whenever you pour hot liquid into something like this, you wanna put something metal in it so it doesn't, break, burst, whatever. Okay, it is so gnarly. I need to take a picture of my phone on like a camera. It is so gnarly. Okay, it's super easy, right? Half a cup of water, half a cup of apple cider vinegar. This is quick pickling, baby. 5-minute pickling. My grandma did pickling the long, hard way that took like a while but man, I'll never forget. I saw her do this once. I was like, that was quick, because we were eating them the next day. We're gonna take our spices. I can't remember what sweetener she used. She probably didn't use honey. I don't know what she used. Maybe she did. I don't know. I'm gonna use not maple syrup. Sorry, Colorado hemp honey. It's got a little hemp. It's got honey, and it's got turmeric and black pepper. So just about a tablespoon, like so. Oh my God. But, you don't want to go to waste. I'm gonna use a pinch of sea salt, Celtic pink sea salt that's hard as, you know what? So good. Now, what do I like to use these for? I love to put them on vegan tacos, a little more garlic pack, because I like garlic, you guys. I'm not breathing on anyone. I'm not dating anyone. Yeah. All right, let's do this. Bring that to a boil. I'm just gonna talk to you guys. I'm going to talk to you guys. How have you been? So let's talk about the health benefits. So thyroid health. We have doctors that put us on all these meds, Synthroid, levothyroxine, Armor, which is from the thymus of a pig, right? And really what we need to do is eat better, right? You need to watch the goitrogens, which are the raw vegetables, because those harm your thyroid. And you want to eat more thyroid healthy foods such as radishes, right? Raw broccoli and cauliflower tend to harm the thyroid. So we want to focus on those foods that are healthy for the thyroid, right? Now, if you cook broccoli and cauliflower, that's fine. I personally do most all my vegetables are raw. But if I had a thyroid problem, I'd start, steaming some broccoli and cauliflower instead of eating it raw. Also, I'd include radishes, like these pickled radishes, on all my salads. I love to eat these pickled radishes. Thanks for the hearts, you guys. Thank you. Aw, thank you, Sophie B. Keep telling me where you're tuning in from. So what we're doing is we are boiling apple cider vinegar, water, garlic powder, turmeric, sea salt, and a little bit of raw honey, and we're gonna pickle these radishes lickety-split. And I'm gonna pray that this doesn't burst. And then I'm gonna take these greens, and I'm gonna make these greens into just a big avocado salad. And these pickled radishes I'm gonna put on throughout the week. These will be gone in 3 days. You wanna eat them within 5 days. But I thought this would be a really cool way, since I have an overabundance of radishes. Like, I'm trying to give radishes away to strangers over here. I mean, I legit could start a radish farm. I didn't realize they'd spread that much, but I'm trying to, eat my radishes. I don't want them to go to waste. So I'll put these on tacos through the week, vegan tacos. I just saw Beyond Meat has a soy-free vegan taco mix, so check your store for that. I'm waiting for this to boil, you guys. I'll put these, don't try this at home. Okay, that's pretty hot. That's pretty hot, actually. That gas stove, okay, please, God, don't let it burst. Someone that's watching me that doesn't like me is like, let it burst. That's it, you guys. That's it, and that's all. These are gonna pickle, oh my God. So here's what you wanna do. I could literally lick the syrup off This is what you wanna do. If you guys weren't here, I'd be like, but you guys are here. So these are your pickled radishes. Now you can put peppercorns in these. I know my Ohio family's like, oh, you girl. My cousin Lindsay pickles everything. She pickles everything. So, you're gonna let these cool, and then you're gonna stick them in the fridge, and then you're gonna put them on everything for the rest of the week. You guys, thank you so much for being here with me tonight. I'm super stoked. Thank you for all of you. Will you do me a favor? After you like this video and you tell me where you're tuning in from, subscribe to my channel. There's over 650 vegan recipes on fasting, intermittent fasting, detoxification, cellular detoxification, grounding, things of that nature. It's Andrea Cox TV. I also have a second channel that is smaller. It's only got about 16,000 subscribers, and it's called The DETOX Intuitive. And that's where I use my intuitive abilities to do, readings for you according to your birth date. Okay, you guys, thank you so much. I will see you tomorrow for Wednesday's Wisdom. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much. Questions below. Make yourself some pickled radishes. Be well. Bye.